Good afternoon, all of our Facebook friends. I'm Paul Wallin, Senior Partner at Wallin Klarich. Today, we're going to talk about something that happens to hundreds of thousands of Californians every year, a traffic stop. And the question we often get is, when I'm stopped by the police for something regarding my driving, what rights do the police have to search me or my car's contents? And the answer is, in 99% of the cases, they have no right whatsoever to search your property, to search your trunk, to search your glove box, or to search you, unless you make the horrendous mistake of giving them permission to search. You have no obligation under the law to do much more than provide your identification to the police officer and your registration and your driver's license, and to be respectful to the police officer. After that, you have no obligation to answer his questions. You have no obligation to do anything unless he suspects you of driving under the influence, and then there are certain other things you should do. So the main advice we give our clients, and I mean our law-abiding clients who want to protect their rights, not because they're doing anything illegal, is to merely tell the officer, if they ask to search your vehicle, "No, officer, I do not give you permission to search your vehicle." And in today's day and age, with the ability to tape things, it is completely permissible to tell the police officer, "I am taping this conversation," and hit your phone and tape the conversation, so there's never a dispute later about whether you consented to the search or not. So when do police have the right to search your vehicle? It used to be, when marijuana was unlawful in California, that they could always claim they smelled marijuana, and that would give them probable cause to search your car for drugs or anything else. No more. Voters in California said, basically marijuana possession is legal, so the smell of marijuana by a cop, no matter what kind of nose he has, no matter what kind of scent he knows, is not legal. You can't search your car and later say, "I smelled marijuana." So what would give him permission to search your car? Well, if you were really stupid and that you had a gun on your seat, sure, they could search your car. Or if he could see drugs other than marijuana in your car, he could search your car. So a really good bit of advice is, don't keep things in plain view that you don't want other people to see. Pretty easy, right? Another thing, the police often might have probable cause under certain circumstances to search the contents of the inside of your vehicle because they saw something. And then they're going to ask you if they could search the trunk. The trunk of your car is much more protected under our laws. Never give the police permission to search your trunk. Then they have to justify it in a court of law. So this week's talk is very easy. If you are wise, you will understand your constitutional right to be free from unlawful searches and seizures. It will also often keep you out of jail by merely protecting your rights and respectfully telling a peace officer, "I do not give you permission to search my car," because if you do give them permission to search your car, very often it will be trashed. You'll be very unhappy. And you may even end up in jail.